Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can improve your photo with a smart suggestion feature on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you have to go to your gallery application because the smart suggestion feature is on the gallery. Click on the gallery application to open it and choose the photo you want to improve. For instance, I'm just going to improve this photo. Click on the photo and then we can click on this icon to get the smart suggestion feature. And here my Samsung Galaxy phone suggests me to use this object eraser feature and then the remaster. And since I don't want to erase any object on my photo, I'm going to use this feature, this remaster feature. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment until the process has completed. And now it's loading, guys. Wait. Okay, now it's done. And this is the comparison. This is before and after we apply the smart suggestion feature or the remaster feature. And as you can see that the photo is looking better than before. And then if you want to save this photo, we just need to click on save and then the photo will be saved to our gallery. This is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can improve our photo using the smart suggestion feature on our gallery on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.